How to build a six-figure e-commerce business without lifting a finger or spending a dime on product inventory. Inside this step-by-step guide, you'll discover why dropshipping is so powerful and how to get started making money right away. If you're looking for a simple method for making money online, dropshipping physical products is one of the fastest ways to get up and running and making money, even if you have little to no online experience. When the internet was younger, not many people bought physical products online. But over the past few years, that has changed. A lot. E-commerce is a multi-billion-dollar industry today. And it's getting bigger by the day. It's very likely you've even purchased something online at some point. If not, I'm certain someone you know has. Almost everyone shops online these days. In fact, in the US alone, e-commerce sales are predicted to exceed $400 billion in 2017. That's up from a whopping $392 billion in sales in 2016. That's a lot of money being spent online. How would you like to get your hands on a piece of that multi-billion-dollar pie? The time to get started with e-commerce is now. People with no experience are building 6- and even 7-figure income streams faster than ever in the world of e-com by learning how to use dropshipping. When compared with other online money-making methods, dropshipping is extremely easy. You're providing true value to your customers by providing them with what they need. And when you dropship, you never have to buy any products up front. You get paid by the customer, then you order the product, and you keep 100% of the profit after buying the product. That means you can set your own margins and literally write your own paycheck. But you can't just jump in, open an online store and expect to make a ton of money without having a little knowledge. Although dropshipping is a simple method for making money online, there is a process you must follow if you want to get results, avoid common mistakes, and make as much money as possible. When you do things the right way, you can quickly scale to a solid 6- or even 7-figure online income by dropshipping. But most people just try to wing it with dropshipping and end up making a ton of mistakes. If you do things the wrong way, you can easily find yourself struggling to get things going, wasting a lot of time, and ultimately never making the kind of money you could make if you did things correctly. To make sure you get the best results with dropshipping, you need to follow a proven roadmap for success, created by someone that's been there and done that. Although there are a lot of guides and training floating around online these days about making money with dropshipping physical products, most of the information out there is outdated. Or it's just plain wrong and doesn't really work. That's why I've put together the ultimate step-by-step guide to making money with dropshipping, so you can get started making money right away. Inside the guide to making money with dropshipping, you'll learn how to get started with dropshipping today, even if you have no prior online experience. why now is the best time to get started with dropshipping and set yourself up for massive success. How to find the best products for your store and find vendors that will dropship the products for you. The best niches and industries to focus on when dropshipping. A step-by-step plan for getting your partners and products in place as quickly as possible. How to get your store up and running even if you have no technical skills. The right way to price your products to boost sales and grow your income fast. Plus a whole lot more. You'll walk away from this step-by-step guide to dropshipping with everything you need to quickly start making money online. Nothing has been left out of this step-by-step guide to dropshipping success. You'll be able to use this to start making money even if you're brand new to the world of online business, you don't currently have a website, you don't have a list or following of any kind, you don't have a niche or product ideas. None of these matter. When you follow what's inside this guide to success with dropshipping, you have everything you need to start making money this week. This is a huge opportunity that can quickly go from a few $100s per week to a 6 or even 7-figure business. And unlike almost all business opportunities out there that require a substantial investment to get started, you can get started without spending a dime on products for your store. You don't have to put any of your own money at risk. This is one of the last methods where the little guy still has a chance. But the best part about this guide is the price. Although you have everything you need to quickly ramp your income up to 6 figures and beyond, you won't pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, you'll get this guide to dropshipping success at a massive discount. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And it's about to get even better. When you make the wise decision to grab this guide to dropshipping right now, you'll get access to some very special bonuses for free that will help you to make even more money online. Here are the free bonuses you get today. Fast Action Bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the entire course into some very easy to follow step-by-step processes. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and see success. Fast Action Bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of every step you need to apply to see success. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast Action Bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to get results with dropshipping. Fast Action Bonus number 4 is a Make Money with Dropshipping infographic that makes it easy to quickly look at an illustrated guide to stay on task. And to make this a complete no-brainer, you don't have to decide anything today. You get a full 30 days to test drive this guide to make sure this really is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply let me know and I'll promptly refund your tiny investment. No questions asked. But please don't delay. If you come back tomorrow, the price may be higher and this offer may not even be available. If you're ready to learn how to start making money right away with dropshipping and how to scale up to a job-crushing income as quickly as possible, click the button below to get instant access and get started today.